How to share Shareit app via Bluetooth. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Shareit. And once you do that, click on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on invite. You will land on this page right here that allows you to share the Shareit app with your friends using different options. But as you can see on this page right here, it tells you recommend Shareit to friends nearby without internet. And it has two options. Click on the Bluetooth option and you will get this pop-up right here that tells you to enable your Bluetooth and ask your friends to do the same. Click on OK and allow Bluetooth. And once your friends has also allowed Bluetooth, you will find them here in the available devices, and you can choose your friend and the app will be shared with easily. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can share the Shareit app with your friends without internet using only Bluetooth. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.